Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the fun and interesting bits of guidance and information that come in during my workshops. I hope you enjoy them.
Oh, the importance of chakra. Why we're spending so much time on the chakras. Because I want you to have the language of the chakras. I want you to have a connection to your own energy system so that you can be in your own self-healing and recognize when things are coming up in your body, connecting them back to the chakras, and what does that chakra govern of your human experience, and working with it from that perspective, instead of from the perspective of, oh, I just hurt my elbow, or oh, I just have a sore shoulder. Why do you have a sore shoulder? Those are the questions that I want you to be asking of yourself. And as you work on yourself with those questions, then as people come to you when you're in practice, or whether it's family, friends, or your clients, you can have that conversation with them. You know, tell me where you're feeling discomfort. Well, I have really bad indigestion. Okay, let's look at your solar plexus. Let's look at what it governs, and let's look at what we can work with energetically to help shift that so that the symptoms disappear. And what's brilliant is that they do disappear. And there is case study after case study after case study that working with the chakras, doing the energy work around any kind of wounding that you're carrying or injury that you're carrying or any of that, removes the symptoms. So these studies are giving us the information in a way that we can digest as a Western culture. And as a Western culture, we tend to want the answer right away, immediate gratification of the answer, and then we want to be able to apply it right away. So what you discovered as you were doing your research on each of the chakras that you had, there's a lot of information out there. And it's all interesting, but really, how much of it do you need in order to make a diagnosis and to be able to help somebody? Do you honestly need, I don't even know how many are on here, 60, 70 different characteristics of the chakra? You may want that for your own information. I guarantee you that your client's eyes are going to glaze over once you get past about 3 or 4 of those descriptors. So the material that I've provided for you is that snapshot. And from there, please, if you're interested, go farther and find, as I say with all of this, find the parts that make the most sense to you and then show up with those parts. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.